Welcome. Today we are going to see about pumpkin diversity. The scientific name of pumpkin is Cucurbita species. It belongs to the family Cucurbitaceae. The origin of pumpkin is from northeastern parts of Mexico and southern parts of the United States. China is the largest producer of pumpkin in the world, followed by India. Pumpkin grows well in neutral or slightly acidic soil. It is rich in vitamin A as well as in antioxidant content. By consuming it regularly, we can reduce the risk of obesity and mortality. It also helps us to avoid diabetes and heart diseases, thus promoting a healthy complexion in human body. There are five common species of pumpkin across the globe. The first one is Cucurbita moscata. It is originated in Central America. These cultivars are more tolerant of hot and humid weather than the other cultivars. They display a greater resistance to disease and insects. The next one is Cucurbita pepo. It is also known as field pumpkin. It yields a variety of winter and summer squash. It has been domesticated in the New World for thousands of years. They are commonly used as food source and for medical conditions all over the world. It is a host species for melaleuca moth, squash vine borer, and pickleworm. Parthenocarpy occurs in this cultivar. The next one is Cucurbita ficifolia. It is originated in Mexico. It is grown for its edible seeds, fruits, and greens. It is a climbing vine that is an annual in temperate climates and a perennial in tropical zones. Its leaves resembles fig leaves and commonly called fig leaf gourd. Fruit is oblong, resembling like watermelon with white black seeds. It is used as a crop in order to feed pigs. In Spain, this squash is used to make jam. The next one is Cucurbita maxima. It is originated in South America from the wild species Cucurbita andreana over 4000 years ago. These two species hybridize quite readily but have noticeably different calcium levels. These are the large red-orange squashes often seen at Halloween in the United States. All giant pumpkins are of this species, including the largest pumpkin ever documented, which have attained a size of 2,624 pounds. The seeds of Cucurbita maxima is used in treating parasites in animals. The next one is Cucurbita mixta, also known as Cucurbita argyrospoma, is a species of winter squash originally originated from the south of Mexico. This annual herbaceous plant is cultivated in the America for its nutritional value and for the seeds which are used as sauces. The flowers are orange or yellow and bloom in July or August. They are bisexual. It grows well in well-drained soil. A liquid emulsion of its seeds can act as a vermifuge, and the subsequent use of a laxative can effect an expulsion of parasitic worms. Now we can see about the varieties in India. The first one is Arka Suryamukhi, which is obtained by pure line method of selection from IIHR 79. The fruits are round with pressed ends. The rind is orange red in color with white stripes when matured. The fruit stalk is round with flared ends. The average weight of the fruit is about 1 kilogram. They are resistant to fruit flies. The yield is about 34 tons per hectare. The next one is Akka Chandan, which is obtained by pure line method of selection from IIHR 105. The fruits are round with pressed blossom end. The rind is green colored with white patches when immature, and when matured it turns into light brown color with self-colored patches. The flesh is thick orange in color with solid cavity. The fruit is about 2 to 3 kg and it is rich in carotene. The yield is about 33 tons per hectare. The next one is Kotu pumpkin. It is a selection from local type of Coimbatore with small fruits weighing about 1.5 to 2 kg each. The yield potential is about 23 to 25 tons per hectare in 135 days. The flesh is bright orange colored sandy loam soil rich in organic matter with good drainage conditions is suitable for its growth. The ideal pH range is about 6.5 to 7.5. The next variety is Ambili. They are medium sized flat round fruits with yellow flesh having an average weight of about 4 to 6 kgs. They are high yielding varieties. Now we can see about a hybrid variety of pumpkin named Autumn Gold, originated from the Colorado in the United States. It is a hybrid plant that produces good yields of 3 to 4.5 kgs bright orange pumpkins. They have a round shape and good handles used for cooking, carving of the pumpkin piece and roasting seeds. It is an excellent choice for the home gardeners, market growers and open field production. Thank you.